racing off for the outright win today in group number 1, and this is what it's all about now. These two guys at the moment standing the tallest of the field, and it is the 9 of Donagen aboard the little blue machine. Oh!
Big straight from Donagen. Dean does everything he can to stay off him. He's giving him the chance to go forwards, but it looks like he's pointed down at the gearbox. Has he got a problem, or did he simply miss a gear?
We've been working overtime here this weekend, double duties with 2 drivers at the wheel, but right now it's all about clear track ahead for Newcomb, and Donagen is right there with him as well. They are racing for the outright win here today.
Yeah, Donagen with everything to lose at this point in time. You can see that he's not prepared to give up.